Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fund my Kraken account. If you're from the UK and you just come here once you're logged in, to the left hand side, hit transfer, click on this, and now I want you to change the currency. You can change this to pound sterling, right here, Great British pounds, change it, and then we can do fund directly. So you enter your deposit amount right here, let's say £100. Then you hit continue right here to authorize Plaid. Basically, be using Plaid to log into your bank account to fund Kraken. So hit continue. Select your bank. Let's go for HSBC right here. Select that and go confirm your details. Hit confirm. Log in. Then you authenticate with your HSBC, right? Whatever account you're using for whatever bank. I'll do mobile banking. Hit continue. Just authenticate it. And then once you're done with it, you choose your method. So you can choose this one. You can do Swift as well, right? And just confirm all your bank details. Everything is correct, right? Because you logged in, it should, link up automatically. And then you just go ahead and fund your account. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.